In order to find and access hidden apps on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, here's what you can do. So first thing that you can do is you can open settings on your phone. Over here, scroll down and go to apps. And then on this list of apps, you can still find all hidden apps. So even if you have apps hidden from the home screen and app drawer, in my case I have hidden Spotify, I can still find it over here in these settings. So I can go over here and I can open the app in this place. There we go. Besides that, if the app is somehow still running in the background, you can probably find it in recents over here. So even if the app is hidden, you can still find it in here and you can open it easily. Also, another way to find the hidden app is by going to the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. If you simply search for the app that is installed but it's hidden, you can still open it from here. There we go. Last but not least, you can just simply go to the home screen settings and you can unhide the app, although I'm pretty sure that is not really your intention, but still, of course, it is possible. If you go to the home screen and choose hide apps on home and app screens, then of course over here you can find whichever app or which apps are hidden and you can just remove it from this hidden section and tap on done, and then you should be able to find it, of course, again on your phone on the home screen and the app drawer. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.